How to take long scrolling screenshot in your laptop or PC. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you take long scrolling screenshot in your laptop or PC. So let's get started. On this process, first of all, you'll have to open Chrome browser on your device. So simply you have to open it. And now from there, you'll have to open any page from there whom you want to take long screenshot on that. So I have opened the Wikipedia site and here it is the information about DeepSeek. So from here to took a long scoring screenshot, you'll have to right click at anywhere on the page. So simply right click anywhere. And now from here, you'll have to go the options inspect. So simply click on it. And now from here at the top, you'll have to go the options toggle toolbar. So simply you have to click on this toggle device toolbar. Okay, so after this, you'll have to tap on the three dot just at the top right corner of that section. So simply you have to tap on that three dot. And now from here, you'll go to options like capture full size screenshot. So simply you have to click on this option. Alright, so after you click on that, you will be able to download that file from this site. So here it is the file. So on the download story, I will got options like a screenshot. So simply you have to open it. Alright, so as you can see, I have successfully took a scoring screenshot in the laptop. So as you can see, here is the long scoring screenshot I have took from that site. So likewise, you can also took a long scoring screenshot in your laptop or PC. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.